Good morning. It's Baker with Teacher Letitia today. So we are baking chocolate chip cookies. Okay, firstly, we need to have a look at what ingredients we need. Firstly, we need 2.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. We also need some tools. We need a beater, a spatula, a big tablespoon, and a measuring teaspoon, a big bowl, a cooling rack, and a baking tray. Let's begin. This is our baking tray. So you can use parchment paper or baking paper, or you can just use cook and spray or butter. When we have all the ingredients ready and we've preheated the oven and we've prepped our baking tray, we can start putting ingredients together. Okay, so now we are going to take our butter and we're going to put it in our bowl. Add our brown sugar and our white sugar. Now we're going to mix it all together. Now we need to beat in the eggs and the vanilla extract. So I've got 2 eggs. 1, 2. And now we're going to mix that in as well. Okay, now we're going to add the flour. Now I need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1. And guess what's our number this week? Number 1. And we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Voila! Now I'm going to mix that in as well. Our cookie dough will now look like this. If you press it, remember, touch your only food with clean hands. And so now we're going to add the chocolate chips. We're going to stir in the chocolate chip using our spatula. Now our cookie dough is ready. For this part, we are going to use our big tablespoon, and we're going to take a tablespoon and put it on our baking tray. And in the oven it goes. Now it's time to get those cookies out of the oven. Now eat and enjoy. Thank you for baking with me today. Please send me some pictures of you enjoying your lovely treats that you're going to bake at home with the grown-up. Bye!